Welcome to Dragon E-commerce YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss that after listing our part on Amazon Seller Central, how we can run ads on our listing. So definitely when you sell your parts online, or then definitely you will need to run some ads, or you have to do some advertisement to get early sales. So on Amazon, how we can do that? Log in your Amazon Seller Central account. Definitely you would have listed your part on Amazon. You just have to go to this menu bar, and here you will find the option of advertisement, and then click on campaign manage. This is the advertisement page in Amazon Seller Central. Using this feature, this tab, you can run ads on your Amazon Essence. You just have to click on create campaign, and when you will create campaign for your product first time, then you will see this page directly when you will click on Amazon advertisement. You have to click on continue. These we have three options. If you have your brand on Amazon Seller Central registered, means that if you have trademark of your brand name, then you can proceed with these two options also. But if you don't have your brand registry with Amazon, you do not have a trademark of your brand name, then you will need to proceed with this option, which is a sponsored part. So you have to click on continue. Here is the ad group name, means that the name you want to give to this advertisement campaign a name. Here are the ASINs that you can select. Some of the ASINs maybe show ineligible due to some reasons, due to the stock information, means they have out of stock maybe. So that's why they show ineligible, and some of the parts by default says that this part is ineligible for the advertisement. Maybe you have some errors in the listing. Sometimes we do not upload the pictures of the part, pictures of the ASIN. That's why also Amazon never allow us to run ads on those listings. So let's find out the part. See, this is a part which is we have now in stock, and we can run ads on this part. And if we want to run ads, what we will do, we will just click on add. Then we will just scroll it down. And here we have two options, which is automatic targeting, and the second is manual targeting. In automatic targeting, Amazon will rank our part in top first pages automatically. But in manual targeting, we give keywords to Amazon, and we ask Amazon to show our part on those specific keywords. Now, but for now, I'm just proceeding with the automatic campaigns. I do not want to give any keyword to Amazon. I just want that Amazon should rank my part by their self on some keywords in top places. Sorry. This is the default bid for the keywords that Amazon suggested. Here I can put some keywords as a negative, the keywords on which I do not want to show my part in top. So I can put here the negative keywords and negative phrase. Let me explain this part. Actually, some people misunderstood this part. Actually, this is the negative keyword targeting. It means that I will put some keywords here, and I want that Amazon will not show my product on these keywords. That is called negative keyword targeting. Okay, I hope so it will be clear by now. Negative product targeting. In negative product targeting, we just give some ASINs to Amazon, and we tell Amazon that please do not show our product ad on these competitor listings. So we can do that. This is the campaign bidding strategy. You can put it like dynamic bid down only, dynamic bid up and down, and fixed bids. You can also proceed with any of these three options. I mostly proceed with this option, which is dynamic bids. Here is the campaign name. You can set any campaign name that you can remember. After that, here is the starting date. You can put any end date for the for your advertisement campaign. And this is the daily budget, that how much you want to spend. For example, I want to spend $100 per day on this campaigns, on this particular campaign. If you scroll down, you have two more options here, that you want to run the same campaign for the same ASIN in Canada and Mexico also. I do not want to. I just want to launch this campaign in USA market. And then you just have to click on launch campaign. So this is the very simple way to run campaigns, to do advertisement of your product on Amazon Seller Center. How to calculate the budget, how to calculate that how much you have spent, and how much you are gonna make that you have spent on your advertisement. That's in second part we will discuss on that. So this was just a simple introduction about that how we can make money by advertising our products on Amazon Seller Central. If you have any question about these campaigns, about this setup, you can ask. Thank you so much.